talking about is muscle cell, right? Sometimes the muscle cell, an individual muscle cell, can be called a fiber, skeletal muscle fiber. And that's what this is depicting. All of this is a single muscle fiber, or one cell, skeletal muscle cell. What's on the list?
Nuclei.
The nuclei of the skeletal muscle cell, or fiber, is right there.
So the purple thing.
The purple thing.
Are we gonna? Is that gonna be on test?
I have 3 of these, and I'm going to use 3 of
Are
them.
they all the purple thing?
On each one, they're identical models, except for that model over there.
Don't use that one. Just use that one.
I like this one better.
Yeah.
Okay,
Don't
so
repaint it
purple
either.
thing.
Don't repaint it.
I won't.
Okay, endomysium.
Okay, so what do we know about the endomysium?
The whole muscle.
That is the connective tissue that wraps around an individual muscle cell or fiber.
I switched.
So this is endo. Think endo is internal, inside, endo,
So that outer layer is
all this stuff.
okay.
Okay, so is that one cell?
One cell. Oh, this whole thing is one muscle cell.
Okay, so
Unfortunately, they call it a fiber, and that confuses everybody.
And where's the
all right.
Perimysium is around a bundle or a fascicle of muscle cells.
So multiple of those.
Yeah, so if I had like 5 of these together and I want to wrap them up with shrink wrap, then that connective tissue would be called perimysium. And then if I take a whole bunch of fascicles and I make one muscle, like you have on that little model, I mean, each one of those things that you're going to name is a muscle. You wrap it up with connective tissue, and it's epi, outside, like perimeter, outer part. Endo is inside, epi is outside, peri is in the middle, around the perimeter. We're going to use all these same terms again when we get to the nerves. So we'll do endoneurium, perineurium, and epineurium.
Let's not talk about that.
Okay.
Sarcolemma.
you see her face?
The sarcolemma. Sarcolemma is the fancy name for the plasma membrane of a muscle fiber or a muscle cell. That's this pink stuff. Sarcolemma.
Terminus, no, T tubules.
Okay, so the sarcolemma extends into the cell, the interior of the cell, has these little extensions, and they're in blue on this model, and they're called T tubules. They are associated with the sarcoplasmic reticulum, this stuff here, fleshy colored stuff. And the sarcoplasmic reticulum stores the calcium, and it has 2 little ends on that are associated with the T tubules. And these little ends of the sarcoplasmic reticulum are called the terminal cisternae.
And those 3 together are the triad.
And the 3 together are a triad. Very good. Excellent work. So, terminal cisternae, T-tubule, terminal cisternae. One triad. Well, guess what? That's a triad, that's a triad, that's a triad. They're all over the place.
Myofibrils.
Each one of these clusters of fibrils, myofilaments, are called myofibrils. So there's a myofibril here, 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 all packed throughout the cell. Myofibrils. And the myofibrils are made up of myofilaments. And the 2 myofilaments I want you all to know are actin and myosin. Now the bands are the dark band, the light band, the dark band, the light band, the dark band, the light band, and so on and so forth. One is dark. Well, A is in dark, so dark and A are the same. Light has an I in it, so that's the I band. A band, I band, A band, I band. That's an easy one for me to put a sticker on and ask you what band it is.
Myosin and actin are myofilaments.
Myosin and actin are the myofilaments that make up the myofibril.
And we interpret them tryptomyosin and sarcomere. They're all myofilaments too, or no? No, okay, they're under the myofibrils.
They're going to be called regulatory.
They're in that columnar
Yep, we'll get to that one here in a sec when I look at the other model. So, if it's got myosin associated with it, then it's in the dark band. If it's only actin, then it's in the light band. As soon as myosin and actin start slipping past one another, it's all going to be dark band.
So is the dark band,
So, again,
the dark band thick filament?
yes, and the thick filament is
Myosin.
myosin. Therefore, parts of the I band are only actin, and actin is considered the thin filament. All right, so we're good on the myofibrils and the myofilaments on this model. Now let's switch gears for a second. And I'll leave that one there for you to look at.